Hi everyone, this is a new video about this Dyson V8 Animal new version 2020 new version. After a long search and long research about all the different variety of the cordless Dyson vacuum cleaners, I come up with this design because is less heavier than the others and is more user friendly, and it comes also with this they call it reach under tool that is really new and it just came out. And so this video is not about testing this item because it has been tested throughout time, because this V8 has been made in 2018. So I'm just showing you the parts that is coming with it and my honest opinion why I chose this one rather than V11, apart from the price, why I chose this one. Anyway, I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So sit back and enjoy. So these are everything that it came in the box, the unit itself, and then wall hanger, and then the multi-purpose brush, and then a stubborn brush, crevice brush, soft brush, and then motorized small head, and the charger. And this is the star of this show, that you just connect this to your item, and I'm gonna demonstrate this. But before we had this, of course not all of this came with this unit. I have other Dysons available, so I brought you all of them to just show you which one is which. But with this item just came this and this and this and crevice tool and charger and this and that. So these three is mine, and these are all the items that it came with the unit itself, as well as the long wand and the head. I bring that one as well to show you. So this is the long wand, and this is Dyson V8 Animal 2020 version. Is normal, nothing so special about this. And then this is the motorized head with animal, only comes with this. And the fluffy head is not included, but I have ordered the fluffy head as well, because fluffy head is more for the laminate flooring and hard floor, and this one is rather multi-use but is best on carpet. So everything is now shown to you, and I'm gonna take most of this away and talk about only that, how to connect it to the item itself. And what we had before was this one, which is not passing through the electricity for motorized head. So this one is only for these items that doesn't require any sort of power whatsoever. But they have designed, I put this here as well, they designed this, which is capable of passing electricity for the motorized head, as well as attaching any other unmotorized head to the unit, like so. So this is really good, it's handy, but we are going to see how it works and where we attach this. Anyhow, so I pause the video, and this is getting a little bit too much. I take everything out of here and we talk more about what we are about to talk. So the way to connect this to the main unit, it has to be connected to the top like so, and then when you are and wanting to use this unit, you just press this forward and turn it like so, and now you can go underneath your bed or maybe furnitures, but it doesn't lock there. It's just the only position that it locks is here and there. So it's really helpful, and it works as this and as the pass-through power for the uh, motorized brush head. So I just show you this small brush head, and all of this is new. Is if you see any dust, is just from the packaging. And if you look at this and imagine this one is attached to the wand like so, and we have the motorized head there. It's just you press this forward and then turn it like so, and now you have 90 degrees brushing capabilities. So now it's getting a little bit heavy. I just go on to the review and why I chose this one. First of all is because it's not as heavy as the V10 or V11, but although that is not heavy, but still when you press the trigger, all the weight stays here, and your hand after 10 or 15 minutes of use is getting tired. So anyway, I think this is not going to be suitable for those that they have dexterity, arthritis, or some sort of joint pain. So I do not recommend this for elderly or those people that have dexterity problem. But this is a note to Dyson. If you can move this to the end, and you have a reach handle here, so the whole weight of this is not on your hand, it's near to the floor. If Dyson would do that, would be makes this item fantastic. And then whenever you want to use it as a um, dusting vacuum cleaner or something, you can disconnect and do whatever you want. But for floor, we need this to be situated near to the floor rather than the weight to be on your hand. So I'm afraid is not fully recommendable, but is one of the best and one of the most expensive ones. This item's price is over £350, and some other retailers that sell this up to £400 with this item, because this item itself it's worth about 50 to 70 pounds. So if you imagine this one worth something between 25 or 30 pounds, this item, because it's passing the electricity through, is going to be much dearer than this one. So is not fully recommendable, especially for those that they have weak wrist or weak arms, that they cannot carry this for a long time. And the time after I tried this, and after tried a similar model of this for more than 15 minutes, and my arm was really tired and exhausted. Anyhow, this video mainly supposed to be about my opinion about this Dyson V8, and why I chose this is merely because of the weight and the way that the nozzle is coming from here rather than coming from the bottom like V10 and V11. Anyhow, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like my video, share and do whatever you like with my videos. But until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.